Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I made my version of this beautiful ZGallerie mirrored accent table. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I stopped by my local Home Depot to pick up inexpensive wood. I purchased one of these 2x4s, a 2x2, and two of these 12-foot 1x4s. I had my sanded plywood cut into 12 by 12 inch pieces, and my common board into 12 4 by 12 inch pieces and 12 4 by 10 inch pieces. I also used wood glue, a sanding sponge, and 1.5 inch wood screws. So the first thing I did was use wood glue to attach two pieces of the plywood to 4 by 12s and two 4 by 10s together. Unfortunately, Home Depot does not guarantee precise cuts, so here I'm noticing that my 4 by 10s are closer to 4 by 9.5s. So in order to make these pieces work, I had to leave a small space at each corner. I let this dry for about 15 minutes, and then I pre-drill 1/8 inch holes at two of the corners. I then flipped my piece over and added two additional holes to the opposite sides. I then added my 1.5 inch wood screws. I'm using the wood glue to hold my pieces together, but the wood screws should help as well. I followed those same steps to make additional pieces. I made 6 pieces in total. Next, I painted the bottom and sides of each of my pieces with this champagne gold paint that I already had at home. I painted the sides because I had originally planned to leave some of the wooden box exposed, but I later decided to cover the box completely. If I were to do this project again, I would still paint the bottom and the corners of my wooden pieces silver just to have a more finished look. I've decided to cover each of my pieces with one of these 12 by 12 inch beveled mirrors from Michaels, 4 of these acrylic mirrored stickers, and 6 of these plastic mirrored towels that I picked up from Amazon. Here I'm cutting my 6 by 6 inch plastic towels into 4 by 6 inch pieces. I then used a small amount of liquid nail glue to adhere the plastic mirror towels along the sides of my wooden box. These plastic towels are self-adhesive, but the liquid nails should help them to stay in place over time. I used 6 of the plastic towels to cover 3 of the wood box sides, but I used the leftover 2 by 6 inch pieces to cover my 4th remaining side. I'm placing one of these acrylic mirror stickers on top of my plastic mirrored tiles. As you can see, the plastic mirror tiles aren't necessarily mirrored, but they do have a reflective finish. And once I place one of my acrylic mirror stickers on top, I'll definitely get the mirrored effect that I'm looking for. Of course, you could use real mirror for this project instead. I believe that Lowe's will custom cut mirror for you, but I really liked this as an alternative. It was super easy to use, very lightweight, and I really liked the unique design of the acrylic mirrored stickers. As you can see, I've covered all 6 of my wooden pieces. 2 hours later, I used this heavy-duty construction adhesive to build my accent table. Once all 6 pieces were in place, I allowed my design to dry overnight. And here's the finished look. I am absolutely in love with my new accent table. It was super easy to make, and it definitely fits my modern glam style. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.